Rheem AC units use flashing lights on their displays as a diagnostic tool to communicate potential issues. These aren't random, they're error codes. This introduction explains how to interpret these flashes to identify and address common AC problems, potentially saving you time and money on repairs. Understanding the flashing patterns is the first step towards efficient troubleshooting. We will cover the most common reasons for these flashes and how to resolve them. Before calling a technician, try these basic troubleshooting steps. First, power cycle your AC unit by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This can sometimes reset the system and clear minor errors. Next, check your air filters. Dirty filters are a common cause of AC problems, restricting airflow and triggering error codes. Clean or replace them as needed. Then, ensure your thermostat is set correctly and the batteries are fresh. Incorrect settings or dead batteries can cause flashing lights. If the flashing persists after these steps, proceed to more specific diagnostics based on the error code. Several common issues can trigger flashing lights on your Rheem AC unit. Let's explore the most frequent causes and whether they require professional help or can be fixed at home. Low refrigerant levels are a common culprit behind flashing lights. This happens when there's a leak in the system, reducing the amount of refrigerant available. However, handling refrigerant requires certification under EPA regulations, so this must be fixed by a professional technician. A dirty air filter is another common issue that can cause flashing lights. When the filter becomes clogged with dust and debris, it restricts airflow through the system, making the AC work harder. Fortunately, this is an easy DIY fix. Simply clean or replace the filter every 1 to 3 months depending on usage. Blocked vents or obstructions around your outdoor AC unit can also trigger flashing lights. Debris like leaves, dirt, or overgrown plants can block airflow, causing the system to overheat or strain. This is another simple DIY fix. Regularly clear any obstructions and maintain proper clearance around the unit. For more in-depth diagnostics, you may need tools like a multimeter to check voltage and continuity. However, exercise caution when working with electrical components. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, it's best to consult a qualified HVC technician. Rheem's EcoNet app, available on some models, can provide detailed diagnostics and even remote troubleshooting options. While some AC issues can be fixed with basic DIY steps, certain problems require professional attention to ensure safety and proper repair. If flashing lights indicate a refrigerant leak, call a certified technician immediately. Refrigerant handling requires specialized equipment and EPA certification to prevent environmental harm and health risks. Compressor problems, which can cause major system failures, need expert diagnosis and repair. Attempting to fix them yourself may lead to further damage or safety issues. Electrical faults beyond basic checks pose serious hazards like shocks or fires. These require licensed electricians with HVAC experience. Attempting complex repairs yourself can be dangerous, potentially causing injury or property damage, and may void your manufacturer's warranty. The Air Conditioning Contractors of America recommends professional certification for all complex AC repairs, as DIY attempts have a lower success rate and can lead to recurring problems. Regular preventative maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of flashing lights and other AC problems by catching issues before they become serious. The most important step is to schedule annual tune-ups with a qualified HVAC technician. These professionals can identify potential problems early and ensure your system is running efficiently. Keep your air filters clean by checking and replacing them regularly, typically every 1 to 3 months depending on usage. Dirty filters restrict airflow and force your AC to work harder, leading to potential failures. Ensure proper airflow around your AC unit by keeping the area clear of debris, plants, or obstructions. Good airflow prevents overheating and reduces strain on the system. Regularly inspect your AC unit for any signs of damage or wear, such as loose wires, rust, or unusual noises. Catching these early can prevent major repairs. By following these preventative maintenance practices, you can reduce flash incidents by 40%, according to data from the International Institute of Ammonia Refrigeration. This not only saves money on repairs, but also extends the life of your AC system. The future of AC diagnostics is rapidly evolving with smart technology integration. Many newer Rheem AC units now feature IoT connectivity, enabling seamless integration with smart home systems. This allows for app-based flash decoding, where your smartphone can instantly interpret error codes from the AC's display. Remote troubleshooting becomes possible, allowing technicians or even homeowners to diagnose issues without being physically present at the unit. AI-driven diagnostics are emerging on the horizon, using machine learning algorithms to analyze patterns and predict potential failures before they occur. This technology can trigger preventative maintenance notifications, alerting users to service needs before breakdowns happen. These advancements promise to make AC maintenance easier, more efficient, and less disruptive to daily life. Keep an eye out for Rheem's latest innovations in smart AC technology as they continue to revolutionize home comfort and efficiency.